Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can connect OpenAI API to N8N. So without further ado, let's begin. The first thing that you need to do is to log in on your N8N account. Once logged in, you're going to click on Personal and then you're going to click on Start from Scratch. The next step would be to go to the top left corner of your screen and click on this icon right here, and then click on Credentials, then Personal. And then, in here, we are going to search OpenAI. Once searched, click on Continue. On the next video, for us to continue, we are going to need an API key. So, log into your OpenAI account, and then click on this gear icon right here. Next, on the left panel, click on API keys. On the next screen, we're going to click on Create New Secret Key. And then we're going to name it. And then select Project. Then click on Create. Once done, click on Copy. And then go back to N8N and paste your secret key and the API key below. Once done, click on Save. Wait for a few seconds, and that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!